happy Friday. Today we're gonna do some block and bubble letters. So there's not much more explanation to it. I'm just gonna teach you how to write your name using block or bubble letters. We'll go through both examples, and then I'll kind of walk you through some examples that Ms. Parkin has made in the past with doing block letters with shadows. So I'll kind of show you some good pictures of the alphabet that I created using that. All right, let's go ahead and get started. The first step I did was create a couple of horizontal lines in order to write my name. I used the width of the ruler to do this. Next, I wrote my name on the two lines, first and last, so that I could show you both bubble and block letters. Once you've got your name written, you're going to start tracing the outside of your name. Notice that my first name I'm using more of the bubble technique, so all of my edges are pretty rounded. Down in my last name, I'm going to use the block technique where you're using a lot more straight lines for all of those edges or corners that you come around your letters with. Once I'm done with this part, you'll notice that I'm going to erase the inside lines to my name. After I'm done with this step, I'm going to go ahead and erase the horizontal lines I used in order to write my name. After I'm finished with this process, I'm going to go ahead and grab my Sharpie and I'm going to outline my bubble and block letters in a nice thick, bold black line. You don't have to use Sharpie, you could use some other sort of permanent marker or even just a regular marker. Once I'm done outlining in black, I'm going to go ahead and erase any of the pencil lines underneath. Notice that I'm holding the paper at the same time to do this. Now you may choose to color yours in at the end. I decided to leave mine black and white. All finished. Here I'm going to show you some examples of my block letter alphabet with drop shadows. You're going to want to really pay attention to what direction those shadows are going if you do decide to try this. And I also decided to get fancy and try some cursive. I hope you had so much fun today with art. Play around with it, practice a whole bunch, and you'll start getting better. Notice that Ms. Parkin started out with just practicing the simple things, and then I worked my way up to involving shadows, and then I also worked my way up to writing in cursive and trying the letters in cursive with a shadow. Scoop says hi. He's here in the video. Hi, Scoop. What you doing? All right, fifth graders, have a wonderful Friday, and I will hopefully talk to you soon. Bye.